At Plumbing Installs, we're a full-service plumbing company that handles all plumbing issues, such as water and gas leaks in walls and underground. We handle installation and removal of all core plumbing, such as sinks and toilets. We focus on 4 main services, including tankless water heater installation, standard water heater installation, whole house water filtration systems, and home water softeners. We serve clients in the Orange County and surrounding areas. For more information, call 714-455-9346 or visit www.plumminginstalls.com.